Hello, good morning. How are you doing? Today we're going to be learning about using the Emulate software in Studio 5000. So let's dive right in. The first thing we're going to do is open Studio 5000 Logix Emulate. Say yes. Now the point of the Studio 5000 Logix Emulate is to, troubleshoot whatever you're working on and just emulate your code. So that's what we're doing. All right. So we'll go ahead and we'll create, which just means that we're adding a processor to this slot. So you can think of this like a control Logix PLC rack. So we'll go ahead and click our emulate controller. Hit OK. It wants to use my previous configuration. We'll just start from scratch, hit reset, go to next. And we're working with version 36 because that's my recent version. You can use whatever version you have. And we'll hit next. Go ahead and leave all the defaults and hit finish. All right, now that that is set up, we need a program to download to it. So we'll go ahead and start from scratch here, hit new project. And at the bottom of the list, there should be, as long as you have the software installed, if you don't have the software installed, go back and start there. So we'll just call it Emulate Learning. And I always like to put a suffix at the end of the version that we're working with. Don't have to do this, just how I roll. And then you can choose whatever folder you want. I'm just working in my project's YouTube folder. And when you're done with that, you can hit next. Version 36 is the one we want because that's what we set our processor to. You can go up to a 17 slot rack with Logix Emulate, so that's what we will select. We are not in slot 10, we are on slot 2, as we can see here. And we will hit finish. Now we wait for the software to open. Okay, now that the software is open, we have a fresh program. We're just going to open up the main routine, and we can either delete this rung or we can put a no op here. Now the way I did that, I just double clicked, or you select the rung and press enter, and I type no op. This is the structured text version. Or you can find wherever it is up here. Or we could just delete the rung. Doesn't matter. The point is that we'll leave an error if we leave it there. So now we go to communications, who active, and we select our 1789 A17 backplane, open it up, and here's the slot that we just added. So we click that, and I always like to set the project path so it remembers where to go. So we'll click that first. Now the path in the project is saved, and we're going to download. Download. All right, it downloaded. We're in remote program mode. So we can go to run mode now if we want. And voila, we are in run mode. There's nothing in this program, so it is not going to do anything. But that is how you create an emulated project. And it's just like any other PLC. You can go offline. Now you're offline. That's that. If you have any questions, please leave a comment and please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.